3, 2, 1, go. 5 right, 130 past the junction. Into 6 right long. 6 right long, tightens to 4 right. 6 right long, tightens to 4 right. 80. 6 right. 6 right, 200. Double caution, keep mid the crest jump. Keep mid, then you're going to dip. Then you're going to keep mid a small crest jump, right to the mid. 40. Caution jumps. 6 left after jumps, go on. 6 left, 6 right, 80. Double caution crest to a turn hairpin left. Double caution crest, turn hairpin left. .40. 5 left over crest. And a 6 right, 80. Keep mid the crest jump. 100 down, it's loose, yeah. With a double caution, 1 left. To a sudden acute right. Drop outside of a bump. Hairpin left. 5 right long, don't cut, tightens. Into 2 right, very slippy. 6 left long. 6 left long, 2 right, and an hairpin left. Hairpin left. Into 2 right long. 2 right long. 100 over dip. Into 4 right opens. Into 6 right long. 4 right opens to 6 right. Locked inside. 200. To a turn hairpin right. A tight hairpin right. Turn tight hairpin right. 60. 60. 6 right over small crest. And a 2 left long. 2 left long, 130. 130. Slight left and a 2 right long. Slight left, 2 right long, maybe slippy behind the trees. The 5 right long. Small crest, a 2 left long, ditch inside, tightens. 2 left long. 40, 5 left over crest, and a 5 left long through the dip. 40. Small crest would turn square left. Small crest, turn square left. Small crest, square left. That was the flat one. 6 right over small crest. 6 right over small crest. 40. 40. 4 right. 5 left over crest. Tightens. 60. 4 left. Sorry, but 4 left. 3 right tightens to turn hairpin left. 3 right tightens, hairpin left. 80. 3 right and the 4 left. 3 right, 4 left. 2 right, don't cut. And a 2 left, don't cut, tightens. Don't cut, tightens. 2 right long, 2 right long. 3 left, 3 left. 2 right. 4 left. And a 5 right into 1 left deceptive. 1 left deceptive. 40, 4 right, and a 4 right over, 6 right over small crest, tightens, to a 5 right past the quarry, 60, 5 right flat, 5 right flat, 130, 130, 6 right flat, 40, keep mid the small crests, 40, 6 left long past the quarry, 5 right maybe rough, 5 right maybe rough, into turn 4 left, 20, 20 to a 2 right, 2 right, into 2 left, 2 left, 40 down logs, turn hairpin left, don't cut, hairpin left, don't cut, 60 over slippy, 3 left tightens, 3 left tightens, 40 rough, got caution bumps, 5 right over crest tightens, 5 right over crest tightens, 80, slippy, caution narrow bump, 40 down, so turn acute right, turn acute right. Five left flat. And a 5 right. down to a 3 left long, slippy continues, 3 left long, and a 2 left hole inside, 60, to an hairpin left, 2 left hole inside, 60, hairpin left, 40 down the mid, 2 left, stay mid, 200, flat over crest, stay mid, flat over crest, stay mid, then you've got another crest, stay mid, 300, keep it down, 300, 6 left flat, 6 left flat, keep mid the next crest, through the dip, 130, 4 right through the dip, 4 right over dip, 4 right over dip, 6 left over small crest, 100, fucking hell, what am I now in? That's a 4 right through the dip, is it? Oh, I'm lost again, sorry. Hairpin right, hairpin right. Keep mid the crest flat, 130, through the dip, 2 left long don't cut, 2 left long don't cut, 170, 6 right into hairpin left, 6 right into hairpin left, 80, left over small crest, 40 past the logs, 3 right long opens, 3 right long opens, 100, log in. You got a caution, 3 left, new stone, and a 6 right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
6 right, 5 left, 6 right bumpy, 5 left flat, 60, to a 5 right flat, 100, to a 5 right long, logs on exit, 5 right long, logs on exit, and a 6 right, continues for 150, 6 right continues for 150, then you've got a 100, 5 left and a chicane, right, left, right, left, right. Fuck off, tight. 60, 2 right through the dip, 5 left long opens, 80, small crest, and a 3 left don't cut over slippy, 350, 6 right long over small crest, logs ahead, 5 left over crest to a sudden chicane, right, left, right. Nearly Mickey's tight. 6 right, 6 left over crest, 40 down to a 2 right, 130, 3 left over crest, tightens, 3 left over crest, tightens, 130, 3 right, into a 5 left long, slowing, 5 left long, slowing, 40 to hairpin left, 200 up mid, to a turn acute left, there's a barrier inside, turn acute left, here it is. And a 6 right, down to a 2 right long, 40, 2 left, slippy continues, and the 6 right tightens, 4 left long, 40, 5 right over small crest, 80, left through bump dip, 130 up the mid, small crest, 6 right long, small crest, keep it flat, 250, 1, the 5 left over finish, 5 left over finish. There it is.
One out.
6 left, it's a 6 left.
Fucking hell. Oh, I shit it then.
Oh, you're right.